Welcome to the Stock Market Education with Chad Christian and American Dream Trading. Master the market with 30 years of experience. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Why learn with Chad Christian and American Dream Trading? Proven expertise, elite training with Chad Christian and American Dream Trading. With 3 decades of hands-on trading experience, Chad has navigated every market condition. Comprehensive curriculum. From foundational concepts to advanced trading strategies, our courses cover everything you need to know. Welcome to the Elite Stock Market Training. Gain practical knowledge with live trading examples and case studies. Welcome to the Elite Stock Market Educational Training. Join our community of success and learn from the best in the industry with American Dream Trading. Mentorship benefit from Chad's one-on-one mentorship sessions, where you can get personalized advice and guidance tailored to your unique trading style. What we offer: beginner to advanced courses, tailored to your skill level, whether you're just starting or looking to fine-tune your trading skills. Live trading sessions. Watch and learn as Chad trades live, explaining his thought process and strategies in real time. Exclusive webinars and workshops. Participate in special events where Chad and the American Dream Trading team dive deep into specific topics and answer your questions. Resource library. Access a wealth of resources including ebooks, trading tools, and market analysis reports. Community forum. Connect with other traders, share tips, and collaborate on strategies within the American Dream Trading community. Join now and start trading with confidence. Sign up today and gain immediate access to all our courses, live sessions, and resources.